The pathways that worked in 2023, they're closing, but new cracks are opening. If you know where to look, Canada's immigration map is being drawn right in front of our eyes. And if you're still following advice from a year ago, you're already behind. I'm Jas Dhillon, RCIC and founder of Real West Immigration. And in this video, I want to show you what's actually working right now in 2025 and 2026 and which options are quietly dying out. If you're serious about getting PR, not just learning about it, stay with me until the end, because the people who act on what I'm about to tell you are the ones getting approval, while everyone else keeps refreshing their IRCC tracker. Let's start with the one that everyone talks about, Express Entry. It's still alive, but it's not the same system you remember. The days of all program draws and waiting your turn are over. In 2025, IRCC is using category-based selection. That means Canada isn't picking the next person in line anymore. It's picking who fits its labor needs. This is true in 2025 and 2026. If you're in STEM, healthcare, trades, or francophone categories, you're in the zone. If you're not, then you need a plan that gets you inside those categories, your education, experience, or your job offer. CRS alone doesn't protect you anymore. You can have a 490 points and still sit in a pool for months, while someone with the right occupation gets picked ahead of you. This isn't about luck, it's about alignment. Now, let's talk about what's dying out. The old study work PR shortcut. A few years ago, studying in Canada almost guaranteed permanent residence. Now, this isn't true necessarily anymore. Study permit approvals are getting tighter, post-graduation work permits are getting shorter, and dozens of private colleges have quietly lost eligibility. That doesn't mean studying here is a mistake though. It means you need to treat it as part of a real immigration plan, not a one-way ticket. If your program doesn't lead into a real PR stream, if it isn't tied into a high-demand knock or a provincial pathway, you're paying international tuition just to sit in limbo. Education can still open the door, but now it only works when it connects to the next step in your immigration story. So what's working right now? Provincial nominee programs are quietly running the show in 2025 and 2026. While everyone else waits for an express entry draw, provinces are hand-picking candidates who match their job markets. Alberta, Saskatchewan, Manitoba, Nova Scotia, these provinces are doing targeted draws every month. And they're not looking for the highest CRS score. They're looking for the right occupation, the right timing, and the right intent. If your CRS score is low, this is your lifeline. But the key is to aim precisely. You can't just apply randomly to every province. That's the mistake that most people make. You need to align your occupation, your job experience, and your intent with the province that's actually inviting your knock right now. That's how we build winning profiles, not just by chasing luck, but by following data. There's also one pathway that almost nobody is talking about, and is working quietly behind the scenes. Employer-driven PR. When a genuine Canadian employer is willing to support you, you can skip the CRS stress completely. If that job offer is verified, and the business is compliant, you can move straight into permanent residence stream faster than most express entry candidates ever will. But here's the warning. Fake job offers are back, and IRCC is cracking down harder than ever. Every offer is verified now. If you submit a fake one, even unknowingly, you're looking at a 5-year ban. So before you accept anything, get it reviewed by a licensed consultant. It's the difference between building a career and losing 5 years of your life. The truth is, 2025 and 2026 isn't about luck anymore. It's about strategy. The applicants that get PR this year aren't lucky, they're disciplined. They've studied the system, adapted early, and acted before policy hits. If your occupation, experience, and the location aren't aligned, you're invisible. But if they are, you're next. The window is open right now for those who can move quickly and strategically. Now the rest will spend the year watching others get approved while they wait for one more draw. So here's what you do next. Before you apply or reapply, get your profile reviewed by someone who reads IRCC updates daily, not headlines on social media. We'll tell you exactly where you stand, what's still working, which door to walk through right now before it closes. Your PR plan doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to be real. And it needs to start today. Book your confidential eligibility check using the link below because timing isn't luck anymore, it's everything.